If you send a Chime payment to the wrong person, you must contact the recipient directly to ask for money back. As Chime's pay and one transfer are instant and generally cannot be cancelled or reversed by Chime. And these are the simple steps to take. The fastest way to get your money back is to reach out to the person you sent it to and politely ask them to send it back. Now, double check your Chime app for the exact details of the payment you sent. If that doesn't work, you can call the Chime. If you believe that the payment was unauthorized or compromised, call Chime support immediately to report it as potential fraud. And you can try to dispute the transaction in the Chime app by selecting the transaction and choosing problem with this transaction. And if you send money to a non-member and they haven't claimed it within 14 days, the payment will automatically return to your account. And that's what you can do if your Chime payment is sent to the wrong person. I thank you for listening.